Hey everyone and welcome. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of Web3 and build something truly meaningful? If you have been curious about blockchain, AI, and data but felt overwhelmed, this video is for you. I am going to show you a beginner friendly project idea that will empower you to build technology that puts user in control. Before we build, let's understand why placing users in control of their data is so important. In our digital lives, our personal data is constantly being collected, but often we lose control over it. It's stored by big companies used in ways we might not know, and we rarely get a say or fair value for it. This leads to issues with transparency, privacy, and who truly benefits from our digital footprint. Today, we are going to build a project that helps address the challenge, focusing on building technology that prioritizes transparency and user control. My project idea is fair data sharing DApp. What is it? Imagine a simple web application where you decide with full transparency which other applications or researchers can access your data. And you can revoke the access anytime. This empowers the individual, putting them back in control. This project's core focuses on data sovereignty, privacy preservation, and decentralizing control over personal information. It's about building tech with user fairness at its heart. You can use a framework like React or Vue for our user interface. For the backend, we will write a super basic smart contract using Solidity. Don't worry, we will keep it simple. Tools like Remix IDE or Hardhat are great for getting started. User will connect their web wallet with MetaMask to interact with the app. Our smart contract won't share your actual data. It's often too big and expensive for a blockchain. Instead, we will store permissions. Think of it like a digital access pass. We will have functions to grant access and revoke access to specific recipients. Identified their wallet address. This is where the control comes in. For this project, we'll simulate the actual data transfer to a recipient system. The crucial part is that the permission is managed transparently on the blockchain. Our front end is gonna use a library like Web3 edges to talk to our smart contract where the user clicks grant access. Our DF sends a transaction to the blockchain updating the permission of the smart contract. At this point, we will simulate the actual data sharing. For example, as shown in the figure, data access granted in the real world scenario. Our DWA will clearly display who country has access to your data. And if you ever change your mind, a simple click of the revoke access button sends another transaction to the smart contract, removing that permission. This ensures true data sovereignty and transparency for the user. This project is fantastic for the beginners because you learn fundamental Web3 concepts like smart contracts, DApps, and wallet interaction. You don't need complex AI or large-scale data infrastructure immediately. And most importantly, it teaches you to build technology with user fairness at its core, empowering the individual with their own data. So that's all for today. Keep learning, keep building. Check out my other tutorials in the upcoming weeks. And if you found this card helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Web3 and tech tutorials. Thank you.